Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a quick video of how to find slope whenever you're given a graph of a linear function. So I have already written down the slope formula. It's the difference in y's over the difference in x's. So if I were to take two coordinate points on this graph here, so I'm going to take this one here and this one here. So that first one, the coordinate point is 0, 3. The second coordinate point is 1, 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label them x1, y1, x2, and y2. Then I just plug those values into my slope formula. So I have 1 minus 3 over 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 3, that's negative 2, over 1, which is negative 2. Okay, so you can do this by picking two coordinate points and then plugging it into that formula there, but there's a really easy way to figure out slope just by looking at the graph, okay? So remember that slope is rise over run, all right? So we pick a point, so I'm going to start right here. Where do I go to get from this point to this point down here? Well, if it's rise over run, so I go down 2 over 1, which is what we have here, down 2 over 1. So that's our slope, okay? So let's do the same thing just by looking at this graph, okay? So how do I get from this point here till this point over here? Remember, the slope is rise over run. So you rise 2 and you run 3. So your slope is 2 over 3.